Hey everyone, Salesforce Shorts here. In this video, we're just going to create a test class for this Apex class. So in one of our previous videos, we created a Apex class for create task. So we're just going to create a test class for this one. If you haven't seen this video, feel free to go check it out. Alright, so first thing we're going to do is just create a new Apex class. I'm just going to call this create task test. Alrighty, so inside of this, I'm just going to create a new static test method. Void, and for this we're going to do, forgot about the very first step. We need to make this add is test. So always make sure you put add is test at the very top, and then that's gonna, once I save that, should pop up a little button there on the top right. Because there's an error right now, let me just comment this out just to get the start going. Alright, cool, so we've got our run test button there on the top right. Alright, so next step is static test method void, and let's just call this test create accounts. Yeah, that should be alright for now. Okay, so inside of this, all we're going to do is we're just going to create a new account because the task is creating or is being created on the account object. As you can see, it's got an account ID here. So we've got that part going. Next step is let's just give the account a name. So we'll just call this something like test ACC. All right, and then insert the account. So insert ACC. Whoopsie. Cool. Next step would be we want to call our create task test method. So I think the first thing we need to do is just create our due date. So let's create a due date and set this as today, date today, and then add 7 days to that. Just cut that part out, put that over there. So add 7 days to this one. Okay, so we've got our task here, all of that stuff's good. All right, sweet. Let's create a subject. So for the subject, we'll just make this test task. And then let's call our Apex class. So just gonna grab the class name and the method. And inside of this, we wanna pass in our account ID, subject that we just created, and the due date. Alright, so the reason why we're putting in these three parameters is because in our Apex class, it takes these three parameters. So yeah, just need to make sure we pass all of those in, and then that should be all good. And then next step is we could probably just verify it. So let's go task, task equals, let's go select ID, subject, let's get the what ID as well, and the activity date from task. And we'll probably add in a where clause as well. So for the where clause, let's go where what ID is equal to the account ID. Okay. So let's maybe just add in a system assert as well, just to make sure that it's working. So let's go system.assert equals. So in the expected, let's use the account ID for now, just to make sure that the account ID is correct. So is equal to the task.whatID. All right, let's give that a try. See if this works. Let's just make sure we don't have any errors. Okay, cool. So let's run the test. Okay, good news is it doesn't look like there's any failures here, so that's a good start, and create task is 100%. So yeah, if we double click on that, that takes us in here, and as you can see, it's covering all the lines. It doesn't really worry about the system.debugs. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe and check out our other videos. Thanks.